Just getting into the entrance, if there's any things in the way that's breakable, or shoes, sometimes you get shoes in the way, or, just a piece of furniture that you might,
Something easy to move.
Easy to move, maybe, so we don't break anything. Don't really want to be responsible for breaking. Just even easy access to the windows that we're installing.
Okay.
Well, sometimes, like today, the customer, she wanted to throw the garbage out for me. I said, no, we take care of that.
Okay.
That's part of our job. We'll remove the cardboard boxes out of the house.
Okay.
That your blinds came in. We're responsible for that part. It's always good to put your dog or your cat away for the installation, because sometimes they'll go into the tools, they'll walk on top of the new blinds. I had animals step on the draperies. Actually, one time a dog one of the blankets.
Oh no.
Yeah, so I try to clean the floor, clean the windowsills off, put booties on, not to come in with our shoes if you walked in the street, especially if you have nice carpeting.
Yeah.
Make sure the tools are put where not on top of furniture, on the blanket, and if there's a piece of furniture in front of the window, I usually cover it. I fold over and cover it with one or two blankets to make sure if anything falls, it doesn't damage the top of the furniture. Kids should stay out of the room, especially sometimes if you're working in a room and a little kid walks in, they should not be there, come in the room at all while we're working. You should stay away, because they'll touch stuff, and it's just not good.
Right.
For children to come in the room while we're working, it's not good. We go over the working of the blind and the care of it too. Sometimes how to operate it correctly. If it's a light rise, pull it down gently, up and down gently. Don't with the blind.
Oh yeah.
Let's make sure everything's done in the proper way to make the product last as long as possible. That's always a good thing. But sometimes people can't be there. They'll have, they're working, or they have a family member that lets us in. Most of the time, I mean, it's nice to have the person home to see the finished, product and the installation, so they're coming back and complaining about something later on after we left.
Right.
That, I don't like this, or I don't like that. My name is John, and I'm a Window Treats Master Installer.